Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maddie and you should kind of, like subscribe because I'm kind of like awesome. I'm gonna do like a halo eye, which I haven't done in a while. Last time I did one was this look, which I never ended up recording because I was just playing around with makeup. And I did that and I was like, oh my god, I'm amazing. So I'm gonna just go with Kai Kai from Manny's Life's a Drag palette. And wait a second, I gotta. And I'm just gonna really. Actually, at first, I'm gonna just take a bunch and pack it. Which I normally don't do this, but I want to try something new. And I'm just gonna use this color until I get the desired look that I want. And I want it like blown out. Like, I kind of want to do what Raw Beauty Christie did. She did a pink, like blown out look, but I don't have that much pink, so I can't. And I'm putting my mirror like right in front of me, like right here, so I can look directly at it but still keep in view for you guys. Next I'm going to be taking an angled brush with the shade Pageant Queen, and I'm trying to get as much of the other color because I used like a red with it and it's really angled, and I'm packing a lot of it on there, and I'm just going to stamp it and kind of move it up into my crease. I'm probably going to use silver for this look because silver looks good with these colors in my opinion. Gold might look cute, I don't know, we'll see. And I just want to really have lots of pigment. I could not find my brush for a second, it was right in front of me. Have you guys seen the show Once Upon a Time? I started watching it a few years ago, like on Netflix, like from season 1, and I stopped watching it for some reason, and I think it's because I got bored. I get bored real easily, and it's like really captivating. I'm gonna take that same purple on this fluffier brush and just kind of, but it was really like cool and interesting, and I got back into it, and oh my gosh, I watched like 5 episodes when I did my makeup the other day. So I kind of don't want to add black to this, so I'm just gonna take more Pageant Queen and build it up. Okay, so just take it, and I'm gonna look straight into this mirror, so you're just gonna see like from, I could look straight at you, but that's hard. And I'm just gonna do a line and like look up, and then I'm gonna kind of add some like that, and just that's how I do them. They're really fun, and I used quite a bit just then, so that when I look, it helps if you like lean your head back, close your eye. I'm gonna lean forward more. And I just want it to be really cool. And I'm just gonna kind of blend out the edges. I'm just going to take Pageant Queen again and kind of add it to here to keep that like halo effect. And I kind of like to do that. That's how I like my halo eyes to look. I'm gonna be using Fishy, the blue satin shade, which I've used before, but I didn't get the payoff I wanted. And I know now that I should spray it. Like, I'm hoping this turns out. Could Could you guys possibly let me know if you like me being like this close? Because I'll do that. Then after I did the blue on both eyes, it looks really cute. I'm gonna take Pageant Queen. Ooh, I just got purple on my pants and a little bit of Shady, which is the black shade, because I need a little bit more depth. And that's what I'm trying to accomplish at the moment. I'm just gonna take Pageant Queen. I added the tiniest bit of Shady because I didn't want it getting too dark. And I'm just making sure it's all blended. It needs heat right now. I'm gonna take a big old brush with the pink and just really, it's the same brush I used to do the pink. So I'm gonna take the silver because I think ooh, yeah. It's like pulling it together. Hi.
Can I be on camera?
Sure.
Hi.
Okay, that's enough of that. Oh no. Take the gold. I want to be fancy. I'm just gonna apply a little bit underneath. It doesn't do much of a difference, but I like it. I just want to add a little bit of glitter. A little bit of glitter. And then I'll just take my silver, which is like, I'm just gonna take it. And I'm kind of into that. And I cleaned up over here and blew it out again because I wanted to make it way more dramatic. In my under eye, it's just gonna be straight up pink because that's what I want and that's what you have to deal with. So I just look up. So I'm just gonna take Pageant Queen and I'm just gonna use this in here because it's right here. Oh my gosh, this is so just I look really, I like it. Yeah, I'm gonna put some of the silver there because I want some shine. And I'm just gonna take a clean brush real quick just to blend the edges one more time because you have to make sure. I'm gonna take a packer brush and take the shade Beat for my brow bone because she needs some sort of highlight. This would look pretty in my inner corner, but I'll put some just so it doesn't feel like I'm ignoring her because she's a gorgeous color. And I don't really like the eyelashes that I do have at the moment. So this is going to be a no eyelash look, but I'm into it. I'm going to take the silver. I'm going to take the silver body liner from NYX and just apply that. And I'm going to kind of drag it like just to... Okay guys, this is the finished look. I just added some mascara and put on the Jeffree Star liquid lip in Androgyny, which is like the first one I got, and I love it. It's my favorite one. There's not probably one I'll find that I like better than it. Like, I have multiple of his, but that one's my favorite because it's so pretty and it looks good with this. But I hope you guys stay till the very end to see how this look turned out. I love all you guys, and I hope you want to see me more often, and like you subscribe because I'm pretty cool and kind of cute. But I love you guys. I hope you have a good day or night wherever you are in the world. Bye.